Hello guys, today I've got the Google Pixel 10a and I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account during the setup of your phone. So as you can see, here we are after the process of connecting to the Wi-Fi. And if you see this or if you see the alert, just go to the Wi-Fi, and now once you are here in the Wi-Fi, you need to here tap setup offline, here continue. If you don't see this option, you need to tap on your network over here, not on the different network, enter the wrong password, and here quickly go to continue. But as you can see, we have here the setup offline option, so tap continue here. And now here we can set up in. I'll skip this process. We can here allow for every Google thing, limited warranty, get peace of mind, something like this. Here they have some tutorial for the gestures, and that should be it. This is all. You need to just set up your phone without the internet. Goodbye.